Hi, Dean with Grow Up Media again with another tutorial for you. This one will be on how to edit your calendar. Again, we'll log into the back by typing /wp-admin on the end of your domain. Log in with your included credentials. From here, we'll go over to it's up here, events. And from here, you can hit add event. To add an event, you'll just add a title, a description. You can categorize the event. We'll do a show. You'll add the date of the event as well as the time. (10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can also select an all-day event. Here you can add the location and the venue. It should default to the Music Maker Workshop, but you can add other venues. Once you've added a venue, it will stay in here for ease of use. You can add an organizer. You can add an event website. You can add a cost and the cost symbol. And once you're done finishing all of that, you can also add a featured image. We'll do this one for the 12th, and we will publish. From here, you can view the event. This is what it'll look like. It'll give you a nice map. And you can see it right here. Now to delete this, we'll just come up here to events and we will edit events. Scroll down to the one we want to edit and we will select it. Move to trash and apply. You can select as many as you want to delete them. You can also just delete them right here by putting them in the trash. If you accidentally put one in the trash that you did not mean to, you can come over to here to your trash and you can restore it. If you build up quite a few of these that you've thrown in the trash, you can also delete it permanently. And we'll go back over to View Calendar. And that's about the gist of it. Hope this was helpful. If there's anything else you need to know, let us know. Thank you.